What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to pair your Xiaomi scooter. I've got Xiaomi scooter Pro here, Pro 1 or Pro 2, it's very similar scooters, and I will pair it with a non-original app, that is scooter hacking utility app, because I don't want to make it update and I will not pair it with Mi Home. Actually, up to you to pair it with Mi Home or scooter hacking, but it's very similar way. Alright, open the scooter hacking app. After this you need to wait for 86 seconds first time, so I'm waiting for this time to agree and move on. Right, it's done, so now you need to grant permission here, allow, and find your scooter. So as you see, pairing the scooter, need to turn it on. Then you need to press the toggle, the headlight, press and power the button one time, two times. Alright, as you see, it's paired successfully, so you can manage your scooter settings, you can disable the headlight, so here you see the Bluetooth indicator, so you can manage your scooter, change the settings, like activate cruise, tail, show speed and miles, and other settings can be adjusted, and flash it as well. So actually that's very simple to use it and very simple to build your scooter. Alright, basically that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching, put the thumbs up and see you next time.